Hi, this is Emily's Creations, and today I'm making refrigerated cookie dough. The ingredients that you will need are 170 grams of butter, 3/4 of a cup of sugar, 1 egg, 2 cups of plain flour, 1/4 of a teaspoon of baking powder and a pinch of salt, 1/4 of a teaspoon of vanilla. Put the butter and the sugar into a mixing bowl. Cream the butter and the sugar together until it is fluffy. Add the vanilla and the egg and mix it in. Put the flour into another bowl with the baking powder and salt. Mix them in together. Add small bits of the flour into the butter mixture and beat slowly. Do this for all the flour. Wrap your cookie dough in cling wrap and put it in the refrigerator until you need it. Thanks for watching Emily's Creations. Don't forget to subscribe.